Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 12FS and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. And as you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case 14 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings and phone. So if you want to check some further details, you've got two different ways to do that. You can either tap inside the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the screen time in particular days of the week. You can compare them, of course, and under it you've got the list of apps which you've used and for how long. And the other option is to tap on the specific app, so for example settings, phone, camera. I just tap on it and again we've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.